In this video, we're going to do video number 9. We're going to distribute a negative number. So let's go ahead and start. Take out your homework sheet from last night, which says video distributing negative. We're going to do 4 model problems together, and then you have 6 practice problems here at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and start with problem number 1. Okay. First off, go ahead and copy the problem down, and then we're going to add its opposite, get rid of all the subtraction signs. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to be plus negative 7 and plus negative 4. Okay? Now, before we can do the addition, we have to do the multiplication. We got to take negative 7 times whatever's inside parentheses. So we bring down the 5x plus, now, negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Plus, and negative 7 times negative 4 is 28x. Okay, so now we've just distributed. Now we go into the combining like terms. We circle our like terms. So our 5x and 28x, they go together to make 33x. And then we have plus, and then the negative 14. We're not going to combine that with anything, so we just bring it down. So it'll be plus 14. Let's take a look at number 2. Go ahead and copy down number 2. We're going to go and change all the subtraction signs to adding its opposite. So it's going to be plus negative 7 plus negative 3x. And then plus negative 9. Bring down the 4x. We're not going to do the addition till the very end. So 4x. Now we have to distribute. Negative 7 times 3 is plus negative 21. And then we're going to add it to negative 7 times negative 3x is negative 21x. And then plus negative 9. If you want to put those numbers inside parentheses, that would probably be smart to do that. Okay? Now we're going to combine our x terms. So we have an x term here and an x term here. 4 plus negative 21 is negative 17x plus, and then cross out those 2 terms. And then we got to combine negative 21 and negative 9. Those 2 terms are going to make negative 30. Let me put that in the parentheses. So negative 17x plus 30. Let's take a look here at number 2. Number 2. Now this is one that typically confuses students. Okay? What they end up doing is, I'm just saying this to caution you, is they do 8 minus 3 before they do the multiplication. You can't do the subtraction or the addition before you do the multiplication. Okay? So we're not going to do 8 minus 3 and get 5 and then distribute the 5. We're going to distribute the negative 3 first. Okay? So let's go ahead and change it to plus negative 3 and plus negative 6. Okay? Bring down your 8, and now we're going to distribute the negative 3. Okay? So negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. Plus negative 3 times negative 6 is negative 18x. Okay? Combine your 2 like terms. 8 and negative 18 is going to give us negative 10. So we got negative 10 plus negative 18x. Okay? We want to really write the x term first. So if we want to rewrite it, we negative 18 plus negative 10. Okay? And then our last problem in this video, the ones that we're going to work together. Okay? Add its opposite here. Go ahead and write it down. Add its opposite. So it's going to be plus negative 3. Okay? Keep the negative 8 plus. Now we have to distribute. 6 times negative x, that's really negative 1. If you want to write that 1 in there, write that 1 in there. So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6x, plus 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, plus 4x. Circle your first term, so negative 8 combines with negative 18 to make negative 26. Okay, cross those two terms out, and then we have negative 6 and 4. So negative 6 plus 4 is plus negative 2. And if we want to rewrite that in the correct order, so it'll be negative 2x plus negative 26. Okay? Now, after practicing those 4 problems, I want you to pause the video and then unpause it after you finish the 6 problems that are below to check your answers. Okay, now that you've unpaused the video, I assume that you've done those 6 problems. Here are the answers to those 6 so that you can check your work. Thank you for taking the time today to do your homework. Right, we'll see you in class, and when we bring any questions that you have, bring those to class, and I'll take a couple minutes tomorrow to answer those questions. Thank you. Bye.